There was a particular video that went viral some time ago about Mark Zuckerberg that, his laptop was filmed and, they discovered that the webcam of his laptop was being taped. And this goes ahead to tell you that, the webcam of your computer or your laptop is not secure as you think. You see, anyone who remotely have access to your computer can actually turn your webcam to actually monitor you or monitor the activity that you're actually doing. So it is for this reason that, your webcam, you should, consider taping it, especially when not in use. And majority of the time, whether you are a tech person or you are not a tech person or you are just an ordinary user, there is no excuse as to the reason why you should open your webcam down when it's not in use. Discover majority of modern laptops now have a shield for it or a covering for it that you can turn the webcam and it closes as well as it opens. So depending on if it's in use or not, you can switch its positioning. So you can switch it a lid to cover it, or you can switch the lid to open the webcam when you need to use it. But if you're fortunate and maybe you had not the very latest version of a laptop, or maybe you even have a desktop, I believe that desktops or majority of desktops that are in existence at the moment, none of them or majority of them may not actually have a covering for that particular webcam. Do well to actually tape it to prevent your privacy from being interrupted or from fetching unnecessary information away from you, which might be against you in the future. This BlueCap Cybersecurity. Do well to like this video and I'll talk to you in the next one. Like this video and subscribe and drop your comment.